How to create your first email campaign. Performing outbound sales using your email client just doesn't scale. Not only is it time consuming, but keeping track of who to email and when to follow up can rapidly turn into a full-time job. With Hexospark, you can create entire outbound email campaigns with a high level of personalization to nurture leads and track the effectiveness of your campaigns to keep your pipeline flowing. Let's explore how you can create your first email campaign from scratch with Hexospark. To get started, go to your dashboard and access the campaigns section where you can create and manage campaigns. Step 1. Select your email accounts. Hexospark supports most business email providers, including G Suite and SMTP-based email providers. Once you have added your email sending accounts, you will be able to select which email accounts you would like to use to send emails from and rotate through these to increase the volume of emails you can send each day. Step 2. Select your contacts. To add contacts to your campaign, you can select existing contacts from your CRM or upload a CSV file. More contacts can be added to an existing campaign at any time. Step 3. Create your sequence of emails. The Sequences section allows you to create new emails or select from existing email templates. Hexospark supports deep personalization via custom variables. These can be used to include any field or custom variable associated with a contact in your CRM inside the subject or body of your email. Each email in your campaign can be scheduled to be sent at a specific time after a contact is added to your campaign, as well as based on a specific trigger, such as when a contact replies to an email or if a contact hasn't replied yet. Step 4. Set your campaign settings. This section allows you to specify campaign level settings, including your reference time zone, the time window within which emails should be sent in a day, days of the week to send emails on, and more. Step 5. Save and run the campaign. Once you have set up all the details of your campaign, you can click Save and Run to go live with your campaign. You can then add more contacts via the browser extension or by adding more contacts from the contact section of your running campaign. Happy prospecting!